But physics is an experimental science in the end. If it is wrong, so it is wrong.
What's wrong? But experimentally it is wrong.
Many times, yeah.
In theory it isn't wrong.
Then in theory it goes wrong. Theory goes well with experiments.
But in many experiments they have proved, and in many not.
So even if in single experiment it goes false, it means it is false. Listen, Feynman said that you can never be sure that a theory can be correct or it is false. You can conduct hundreds of experiments in that and still be unsure whether it is correct or not. But even if single experiment is disproving it, it means it is incorrect. So 100 experiments cannot prove that it is correct, but a single experiment can prove that it is incorrect.
Okay, so if it is wrong, so they should mention it that it is wrong.
Yeah.
Still we are studying.
Yeah, because it will build the base. It will build the base, or without that you won't get it. It's like many things there are that you can think of intuition and logic, but they will contradict themselves and they are just out. So you have to perform experiment. Like Aristotle thought that you'll throw object, any two objects you'll throw, and they will all fall with different speeds and different acceleration by their weights. It will depend on their weight. Here, his statement contradicts himself. Leave Galileo aside. His own statement contradicts himself. You know how? Let's say here you have two objects. Let's say here you have two objects. Okay, these two objects. If you throw them, they will fall different times. If you think it in on the perspective of Aristotle. Let's say one is just light, other is heavy. Small m, capital M, light and heavy. Small m should fall in longer time. Capital M should fall in less time. Small m has less acceleration, capital M greater acceleration. If you tie both of them, small m plus capital M. Now listen about it, think about it from two different perspectives. First perspective, you are tying both of them, small m plus capital M. Small m, since it has less acceleration, less force, capital M greater force. So what it should do, that the net force or net acceleration on this should be such that small m will basically retard capital M and capital M will try to accelerate small m. So which acceleration will come? It will be greater than that of individually small m and lesser than individually capital M. Such acceleration should come. Think from second perspective. So from first, acceleration should lie in between of both the values. From second perspective, what you'll see is, since small m plus capital M in the end is greater than capital M itself, its acceleration should be greater than capital M.